What do you think? It's a lot. Did you do 200? Ooh, it's a good price. Love me free couches. Whew.
¿Cuánto es?
How much are your cassettes?
$1 each.
$1 for a cassette?
I'm sorry, per cassette, yeah.
Per cassette.
How many cassettes are in those boxes?
12.
$5 a package. $1 each or $5 for the.
Someone wants them gone. You have a big collection. Red Hot Chili Peppers. Oh, 8-tracks too. Or 8-tracks. CDs. Got all the media. How much is the mixer?
$50. What you got?
It's got a price right on it.
For the vacuum? Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a good one. Hey,
Cool. 70. It's a Behringer.
You don't have the remote?
No, I don't have a remote. No. Yeah.
Okay. What's this?
That's a whiteboard.
Oh, okay.
You see anything good?
Right on it.
There's good stuff. It's expensive. How much is the tape deck?
I don't know. I just had it out here to test the tapes.
I gotcha.
But if you're, I don't know, what would you give me for it?
Oh, I don't know.
Everything's negotiable.
Gotcha. What is that one that you're cleaning up? Pioneer?
Yeah,
6 cassette multiplay. Oh, that's cool.
That's actually a clock.
Is it really?
Yeah, somebody took it and refurbed that old
That's crazy.
record player into a clock. Oops.
I'm still thinking.
You're good.
See, I'm interested in this.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to plug it in for you.
I'm interested in all that.
Okay.
And I'm interested in that. Would you do a bundle price? What would you need for all that?
So for everything?
I don't need this or that.
Yeah, for this, this,
This, and this.
Courtney, you're much better at math. Can you let up and please?
What all? I'm sorry.
I mean, so it's 225. This one's not priced.
Yeah.
So
these.
not that one. Yeah.
He doesn't want the tuner, just the cassette.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Which
So
is I got that marked 15.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just tell me what it's 225 for everything.
Minus
I don't have a price
that.
on
Yeah.
So you're interested in? I'm sorry.
Everything
I just
except
didn't
the
get- Everything.
This.
Yeah.
and
So it's 100
I gotcha.
plus
Okay. Gotcha.
110. So that's 210. 225.
Got it. Okay. 225, and then this, and you don't know what you want to sell that for.
Yeah, I just had it out to test the tapes.
Okay.
But you want it too?
If I could.
Yeah.
Okay.
Depends on what you charge for everything.
So
It's well, he counted all that up at 225, 220. Go in the cassette tape.
it's
220.
250? Is it-
No, 220.
She's saying 220 with
Yeah,
that.
220 with the dual cassette deck. Yep.
Oh, that was 220.
25. Right, I'm making him a bulk deal.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah. What do you think? It's a lot. Did you do 200?
200. Cheers.
Okay.
200?
Deal.
200 bucks. Big spender, but it's some good stuff, man. Do you have Venmo?
I do have Venmo.
I have the cash, but I don't really want to give all my cash up. I'll look around while you do that. There's still some more stuff to look at here.
Prepared. I didn't know. So iPhone sent my Venmo.
What a feel. Oh,
Downloading it again.
so weird.
You like the owls?
So they feel so weird.
They're cool.
Mom would like them.
Yeah. Look at this, a tin can robot. You probably have to build it.
Dad,
Yeah.
but they don't shake like that. Whenever you sit in them, since it's so close to the floor, your butt touches the floor.
Well, it's for in a canoe, it says. It's a canoe chair.
Okay, do you know how this Venmo thing
But what
works?
if you were just sitting it? What if you were just like, sitting it on the floor? Your butt
I think you just add your credit card to it. Your bank card.
Well, I just how do I list the payments?
Oh, yeah. I know how to do that part.
Okay.
Hold on. Journey. Got some good stuff here.
Yes, a very small piece of what I have.
Yeah, I have like, I think I have over 200.
Nice.
It's a growing collection. Most of it's like grunge, classic rock, that sort of stuff.
That's cool.
Yeah. Ooh, Foreigner. Don't have that. Poison, I have this one. REM. Oh, it's empty.
Oh, is it empty? Yeah, you
Yeah.
gotta check them out.
Yeah, I've bought cassettes at yard sales. I've gotten really boned before. So I'm always like very careful to check. People don't do it on purpose. It
Yeah,
just
no,
was
I mean, it's
easy to
just-
misplace them.
I didn't take time to go through every one of the tapes. That's why I had the cassette player out here so we could test it.
Yeah, but then some jerk bought it.
Nope, I'm glad you got it.
Yeah. Let's see if there's anything else. Ooh, Ghostbusters. When there's something strange. Alright, so I'll put that at 10. Let's see if he'll let me,
I'll be right back.
Yeah, you're good. Can I kind of make my own bundle here?
Please do.
Okay.
What's that?
Oh, that's messed up. What? That's a couch. Free. It's a stereo. Yeah, you can get it. It's free. That's a good one.
Like, when we get home, we can look it up.
Yeah.
That's because I don't know what this is. Not if it isn't. Whatever.
Yeah, I mean,
Fortunately, I have another cassette player. Use it, please.
and it's just something about like the physical media, you know?
Oh, yeah.
A lot of people lost their appreciation for it.
What I love about tapes is Dolby noise reduction.
Yeah.
Oh, that Dolby noise reduction is magic.
Yes.
Dirt, grunge, tape this.
Done.
Amazing.
Yep.
Music is not supposed to sound pristinely sound.
Yeah, and that's the thing with like, I was at a yard sale with my brother, and I was buying a bunch of cassettes. He's like, you know, I've got Spotify right here. I was like, it's not the same.
It is not the same.
All right, so you said $5 for a pack, right?
Yes, sir.
Cool. I'll give you cash for this one.
Awesome.
We don't need to go through all the technology woes.
Yeah.
All right, cool, guys. Thank you.
Good one.
Yeah.
Did you get this one too?
Oh yeah, I did. I'll carry it.
Oh, I get it
don't
for you.
want-
Here, Bunker, will you take this?
Oh, that's heavy. All right. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Oh, thank you.
All right, hey guys. Sorry, that's something I just found at a yard sale today, but it is pretty cool. We'll cover that in a future video. This yard sale was actually really interesting because I spent big time. I spent a lot of money. I spent, I think, $200, a little more than $200 maybe, because I bought some cassettes, which is a lot to spend at a yard sale. And I know what you're thinking. Why would you spend that much? Well, I'll tell you why. This guy's ad had a list of every single item he had. And so I was actually able to comp all of the items, those musical items, before I went there. The night before I saw his ad, I saw he listed out all these vintage music electronics. And so I went on eBay and I looked up each one and figured out what they were worth. And I said, okay, I will buy those all for $200. 200 is my max number. I even called my brother and talked to him about it because he's big into music. He said 200 would be a decent price to pay. So that was kind of my plan. I'm going to go there. I'm going to offer him 200 and see if he takes it. After a little negotiation, he did. So, you know, got it home, recomped it all. You know, one thing came in cheaper than I thought. I misunderstood which Behringer, I don't know how you say that, mixer he had, and the one I thought he had was, I thought it was worth 100, but it was really worth 50. So that was a little bit of a hit, but I'll show you all the comps at the end. These things, I've already sold several. I think I've sold 2 or 3. Maybe 3. I think I sold one for 70, one for 50, and one for 60 or something like that. So I've already pretty much got my 200 back. And the real thing I wanted was this 6-disc changer, which I know sells for 120 to 140. And I got that too. That's listed for 150 right now. So I've got it listed a little high, but I kind of like it. So I don't know how fast I want it to sell. But I will send some offers to people because I think there's 3 watchers. So all in all, I think I'll probably walk away making around, you know, total net, not net, gross sales out of those items. Again, you could probably just do the math with the comps I'm about to show you. I think it's around 350 to 400. Might be 400. So I should double my money, I think. Again, just watch these comps at the end and you'll know. But yeah, that's why I spent so much, is because I knew going in that I could make more than 200 off of it. And I was kind of excited about what the items were, so I wanted to own them. I showed up first, and I bought them. So, yeah, guys, I hope you liked this video. Make sure you check out my other ones. Click that subscribe button, and see you next time.